How to zoom in and zoom out on the waveform in Ocean Audio. First of all, open your Ocean Audio software and load the audio file you want to edit. Once it's loaded, you will see the waveform of the audio in the main window. To zoom in or out on this waveform, you have a few options. The first method is using your mouse wheel. Simply place your cursor on the waveform and scroll up to zoom in or scroll down to zoom out. This is a quick and easy way to adjust the view of the waveform. Next, you can also use the zoom buttons in the toolbar. Look for the magnifying glass icons with the plus and minus signs in the top right side. Clicking the plus icon zooms in and clicking the minus icon zooms out. This provides a more precise way to control the zoom level. Another method involves using keyboard shortcuts. Press Ctrl and the plus sign to zoom in and Ctrl and the minus sign to zoom out. This allows for a smooth, quick adjustment without having to use your mouse. Finally, you can adjust the zoom level by clicking and dragging the zoom slider located at the top of the waveform. Moving it to the right zooms in and dragging it to the left zooms out. This is especially useful for fine-tuning the view. And that's it. Now you know how to zoom in and zoom out on the waveform in Ocean Audio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.